In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch to the light theme on Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure you are logged in to your Asana account and then click the open in browser. This will forward you to your main dashboard. Now, from here, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon. Here, I want you to click the settings and then hover to the display tab. In this option, as you may notice, you can choose the theme on the drop-down menu. Okay, so you can sync with system settings, and obviously all I have to do if you wanted to change to light theme, just click the line. Alright, and then from here, you can also choose the sidebar and top bar color if you wanted to have more control. And once you've done that, click the X button, and as you can see, we have turned the theme on our Asana dashboard to light. And basically, that's how easy it is to switch to the light theme on Asana. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.